mit Barashwa bangin page ki kubor ki babnya ngenya pechwa ki mat bakongsan Ajingkran umintri kampo yeng ke Sarkar Pedeng u Amit Shah ha ke Jingrakhe ya ke Jubilee Siar ke Ramakrishna Mission ha Narottam Nagar Arunachal Pradesh. Yashimanta umintri ketenat pule puthi udharmendra pradhan kum ukongsan ha convocation ba apinyo jong ke nehu khot iki samla bandon binta ha ke imnang sala. Kajingbu kindon iki jakai lekai baladan lupa kade kajingtmu bahak madu jong ke Gaming Act ong umintri rangba ukong rat ke sangma. Bat shimti u Dr. L.R. Bishnoi kumu Director General Bathama jong ketenat Meghalaya Police. Kikubor kibabnya. U Menteri Kampo Yeng ke Sarkar Pedeng u Amit Shah ula Ajingkran ha ke Jingrakhe ya ke Jubilee Siar ke Ramakrishna Mission ha Narottam Nagar Arunachal Pradesh. Une u Menteri ula ya ro ya ke Ramakrishna Mission na ke Binta ke Jingai Jingshakri jengki Shah ke Imlang Salang ha Arunachal Pradesh bat keleng kari ha kini ki Sanpos Nem balalej. Shushu ula benrap baka Ramakrishna Mission kalong ke Shlem jong ke Jingim bakin jaman sim bat ke Jingkentiau ya ke Riti Dustur kari. Ula ong ru baka mensim itri ha ke nega jela ke Pau Shai ha ke leng kari. Une u Menteri udon ha pedeng ke Jinglet Jingo ba Arsngi Shah ke Arunachal Pradesh.
स्कूल बनाना इससे भी बड़ा पुण्य का काम है मगर एक व्यक्ति को अच्छा इंसान बनाना इससे बड़ी पुण्य की बात कोई हो नहीं सकती और 50 साल तक रामकृष्ण मठ ने एक काम जहां पर कोई आ नहीं सकता सोच नहीं सकता उस जगह पर रहकर सातत्यपूर्ण तरीके से बिना थके बिना हारे अक्षय ऊर्जा कहां से मिलती है मैं समझ नहीं पाता
Lapan long ia ke jingpen kuburom ya ki kena pulil ane ke convocation ba arpunyo jongka North Eastern Hill University hene ke sngi. U Menteri Ketenat Pule Putik jong ke Skill Development and Entrepreneurship jong ke Sarkar Pedeng udharmendra pradhan ulai shimmenta kum ukongsan kadba u Menteri rangba ke Meghalaya ukong rat ke sangma ulalong kum usumbut kongsan. Lasam kum ba khat khandai hajar khandai spa sanpusan terli ki degree ha ke ne ke sngi. Haga jing kren jong Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng ulo ong baka por kaladai baki kena pule ki deben jing shakri ya ka imlang salang bat ukentu ya ki kena pule ban longkum kinong kam ya ki wei. Shushu ulo ong baka National Education Policy jong ka Sarkar Pedeng kalabu hakmat ya ka jing penroy ya barok ki tien tenrai. Menteri rangba ke jela ukong rat ke sangma ula ai kublai ya ki samla ha ke ne sngi bar ula ai kublai ru ya uni Menteri bala pelat ya ke Meghalaya na ka jingpen long ya ka examen kuwait. Menteri rangba ke jela ukong rat ke sangma henen kesngi ulo ong baka Meghalaya State Gaming Act kan kmi ya ke jingbu kindon ya ki jaka ya lek khalai ki badan ha ki babun ki jaka ha Shillong kum ka khendai lat bat kapulo. Habakli la ka sorkar kadang yamir ban pendo ia ka an la da bon ki jing persya usang mau laong balada ka sorkar kan pendo ia kan ne ka an kanom don kanu kanu ka an man khmi ia ki ne ki jakaya le khalai bat ka sorkar kan du nong kumbah nyeu la ne praklor tingka da ka boong ba ki jakaya le khalai ki badon menta kimshim seu khajana Shushu loong bakam don kanu ka jingkli halor ka jingwan ra ye ki jakaya le khalai bathamai bat ula banru baka sorkar ka thmu ban penya ye ki ne ki jaka ki bala don menta la bon snem.
Jackpot parlors. There are jackpot parlors, and there are these online gaming parlors which have been functioning from Police Bazaar, Polo, and other parts of Shillong city for a very long time, almost 25 years and more. And this has been going on even before, this government and previous governments were there. So therefore, there was a need to regulate these parlors. The objective and the genesis of this entire act was to allow the government to regulate and tax existing jackpot parlors and gaming parlors which have been in existence in Shillong and other towns for the past 25 years.
Ka tanat pulit ka jela kila pediang ya Dr. L.R. Bushnoi ban shimti kum u DGP bathamai hinin kasngi. Lingba ka Twitter ka tanat pulit ka pediang ngobha ya Unio Director General bathamai da ka baongru bahapo ka jingelam jungu ka tanat kan beteng ban tray shitham ban wanra ya ka suk kasan ha ka jela. Ubishnoi ulokhot ya umintri rang ba siya kaying sa ajong but ay kublay u nakabenta ki jingkit bok kit ruang ya katanat pulit jong kajila. Ka Indian Air Force kadang yay beteng ban ajing yarap siya kitu ki lanot ki bala syakta nakajing shlay hasam nado ka khatsan tarik menta ubenay. Ki MI-17 helicopter jong kan ni katanat kilala ban pinkin ria ya ka wan chispa khandai khat khandai ngut ki nong le jinglet ki bala sakut ha ditok chera le railway station. Nado kan ni ka IAF kalapha ya ka way ka AN-32 transport aircraft artli ki MI-17 helicopter kaway ka Chinook helicopter bat kaway ka ALH Dhruv bat kit palat lai photalan ton ki marba mardi shaki jaka bashakta jur hakathan haflong bat pinkin ria sauspa sanpusa ngud ki breu Shushu ka IAF kalabu arphongut shipai NDRF shakathan ban bashakta jur nagani ka jingshlay Ka IAF kadang yaya terailang bat ka NDRF bat ka Sorkar Assam ban ay jingerap syaki beriu ka ni kathan. U National President ka NPP u balongru u Menteri Rangba ka jela u Kongrat Sangma hinegasngi u laong bagi don way ni arngut ki MLA ka seng ki balayo jingpen shitom shu u laong ru bagi ni ki MLA ki lala ru bandon jingekran bat ki way pat ki seng. Menteri Rangba uloong miyakan ni da ka bajubab ya ka jingkren na unong yalam kaliang persya ka AITC u Dr. Mukul Sangma halor ka jing ongjong babon ki MLA ka seng NPP ki pet banyo mentoy tang yalade bat ki penpau ya ka jing bamyahap halor ki rukom trekam ha ka seng menta. Hagaway pat kaliang State President ke NPP uba WR Kharluki udang beteng ban penpau jing syania halor ke jing job jong kaseng haki election ka banlong how news nem ban wan da ka bo ongru ba uskem ba onom don kinu kit khot ban kinthi seng.
One or two MLAs who we have started disciplinary action against them, and there were some issues that were there. So there are some disciplinary proceedings going on against one of the MLAs. Maybe there's a possibility they are in talks with them. There will be an election committee that will work at the for the tickets and all these things. This is not for me to say, though I am the president and of the party. But at the end of the day, there's a process for the party to approve, and that process will have to be followed. And we'll move forward and we'll see.
Ka Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India University hinen kesngi kala play perda ya ka jingpule ha ka kerdan Master of Arts Khasi bat ka Master of Social Work ha Shillong Club. Ha bakran ha ka ni ka program u MP ka Rajya Sabha u ba WR Kharluki ulokentu ya ki samla ki batmu ban pule ya ka master degree ha ka subject Khasi baka don shibun ki jingmentoy bayadai ha ka ban kentiu ya ka ri bat jaj ben riu. Haga juga poru Menteri Rangba ukang rat ke sangma ula ajingkran halor kektian Khasi bat garo daka boong baka jela kadang dawa ban penrung yakini kektian haga kernet bapra baka sorkar kadang tray ban kentiu yakini kektian.
While we work towards 8th schedule, there needs to be more effort from our side as a society, as a government, to come together and promote our own language in ways we can. So therefore, there was a long discussion regarding, establishment of awards, having larger conferences, having different programs, and research being done in more detail, more infrastructure being provided for the research scholars. So all these aspects were discussed. So there were two parts, as I said. One was movement for the 8th schedule, and the second part was to figure out what we as a government and society can do together to promote our own language in our own state.
Mentapat ngin yapet ya kejinglong jingman kasun meneng. Ka jingshit kalong arpulai point R degree Celsius bat ka jingkriat kalong katsan point iwe degree Celsius. Ka jingsngam ka hau-hau kalong prapu kendai na kashispa menstep bat nyau penreu na kashispa janmin. Ka jinghap slap kalong 0.R millimeter. Kala bandon ka jinghap slap ka bamalu mala hakikat tu kat ni kijaka. Hashwa bangin penkut no ngipin kin mau pi baya kani khubor na lor ka POE haki television pila ruban pet live haki YouTube channel jongka didi news Shillong naga bentaki khubor ba man lakasngi pila ruban pet ya ka khubor jongka didi news Shillong haki Instagram Facebook ba Twitter. Shwan poi shaka bukut jongka thup khubor ngin ya pet biang sa shisian ya kimat ba kongsan. Ajingkran Menteri Kampo yang ke Sorka Pedeng Amit Shah ha ke Jingrakhe ya ke Jubilee Siar ke Ramakrishna Mission ha Narottam Nagar Arunachal Pradesh. Yashimenta Menteri Ketenat Pule Puthi Udhar Mendra Pradhan ke Bukongsan ha Convocation ba Arpunyau Jong Nehu Khot ya ke Samla Bandon Benta ha ke Imlang Sala. Kajing bu kendon hagi jakai lekai beladon lupa kadai kajing temu bahak mat do jong Gaming Act ong Menteri Rangba ukong rat ke sangma. Bat shimti Dr. L.R. Bishnoi kum Director General Berthama jong Ketenat Meghalaya Police. Te paralog atung ila poisya ka bukod jong ka thup kubor jongi mentaga janmit hado bangin de syambiang bat pila syai kasngi kublay pi baro.
When will we reach it?
In a few moments.
Please tell me, when will it reach?
I just told you soon. We have reached the well. See, we reached the water well.
It's not about we reaching the well. When will water reach our home through taps?
Through taps?
Very soon, Goody. You see, the